Sa yung dalawa, di pa nakaupo.
Hindi na makakaupo isa.
Hindi na makakaupo isa sa...
Senior citizen,
Baka yun.
Yung dugyot.
gayot party list. So ngayon, 52 pa lang kami.
Gayot.
But, actually, with Speaker Cayetano's commitment from the very start, masayang-masaya ang party list coalition dahil napagbigyan halos lahat. We got 4 deputy speakers, 2 committee on appointments, 1 HFET, yung proportional share, what we call the proportional representation or yung 20%, nakuha halos.